Unleash the flavor. Unlock the savor. Unleash the beast. Awaken the primal. With Repeat Offender Biltong Spice. This week's fantastic recipe is flame grilled quail with a pomegranate twist. The ingredients are: for quail, 2 tablespoons Repeat Offender meat rub, 2 tablespoons olive oil. We will get to the mouth-watering pomegranate glaze in a minute. Rinse the quail and then pat dry with paper towels. In a small bowl, mix together the Repeat Offender meat rub and olive oil. Rub the mixture evenly over the quail, making sure they are very well coated. Cover and refrigerate for at least 2 hours or up to 8. And now for the glaze. In a small mixing bowl, combine 2 tablespoons of pomegranate molasses, 1 tablespoon of honey, and 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard. Mix all the ingredients together until they are well combined. The consistency should be thick, but still pourable. Taste the glaze and adjust the seasoning as needed. If you want it sweeter, you can add more honey. If you want it more tangy, add more Dijon mustard, or if you want it more spicy, add some cayenne pepper or any other hot sauce of your preference. Once the glaze is ready, set it aside until you're ready to use it. Chop your wood, light your charcoal, or set your grill to medium to high heat. Sit back, crack a beer, and wait for it to be ready. The Repeat Offender meat rub provides a complex and delicious flavor to the quail. That, combined with the sweet, tangy, and slightly spicy flavor of the pomegranate molasses glaze. This makes a delicious dish that can be served as a main course or as an appetizer. It can be paired with a side of vegetables, salad, or rice. Grill the quail for about 8 to 10 minutes per side, or until they reach an internal temperature of 160 degrees Fahrenheit. During the last 2 minutes of grilling, brush the quail with the glaze. Be sure to cover the entire bird well, and return them to the grill. Here are a few side dishes that can pair well with this quail recipe with Repeat Offender meat rub and pomegranate molasses glaze. Grilled vegetables such as asparagus, bell peppers, zucchini, or eggplant. A simple green salad with mixed greens and a vinaigrette dressing. Roasted sweet potatoes or regular potatoes. A quinoa, lentil, or bulgur wheat salad. A side of roasted root vegetables or mixed pickled vegetables. These are just a few suggestions, but there are many other options that could pair well with this dish. Some other options could be a side of polenta, a creamy risotto, or even a side of roasted cauliflower. You can also consider pairing it with a side of a yogurt-based sauce, chutney, or salsa that can balance the spicy and sweet flavors of the quail. Also, you can use a crusty roll to soak up the flavorful juices. Remove the quail from the grill and let them rest for a couple of minutes before serving. And that's it. We hope you enjoyed making this dish as much as we did. The bold and complex flavors of Repeat Offender really bring this dish to life. We are sure that you'll be making it again and again. And don't forget to share this recipe with your friends and family, they love it too. If you want to get your hands on some Repeat Offender spice blends, head over to our website or check out our social media pages. Thanks for watching and we'll see you next week.